For making a cat's face with paper, we need a square sheet and we need to fold it diagonally like this, aligning the two opposite corners and now folding it again in the same manner. This was not a fold, it was just making a crease so that we get the center point once you do it like that and then vertically. So we've got the center point and we'll make a dot over there just for our reference. Now we'll take the two opposite corners and we'll fold it in such a way that it is going out of the triangle so that it is visible. Also, keeping the center point in mind, we will fold the above portion like this and now the bottom part like this and just turn it over. Our cat structure is ready. I think if I'll put a mask on it, it will look like a Batman. Now using the black sketch color, I made its eyes, nose and face and making cute blush on its cheeks. Now time for some whiskers. Yes, now it's done. Now since I've made these dog and cat faces and I wanted to make it a greeting card, so I've kept it on my card. And see, this is the easiest design I could make out, easiest to learn for making a cat and a dog. See? And yes, please remember there is no perfect shape or perfect design because these are all living things and they do change their positions. Now making a cute little necklace for a cute cat. Yes. And also, it is not necessary to use it for the greeting card. You can paste it on the paper bags. You can make designer paper bags. You can make your finger puppets with it. You can put a string behind these faces and you can decorate your room or your gifts. There can be multiple ways of using these faces. You can make it in a bigger size and you can stick it on your school bag or on your bottle, on your lunch boxes. It looks really cute. And I've even seen a few children putting it on their favorite notebook, the small kids. It looks amazing and super easy to make. If you're liking my videos, do like, subscribe and share. And also let me know in the comment section if you want to learn something specific because I've just started with the easy ones. And thank you for watching, guys.